Want to add a couple of inches to your height and look leaner instantly without even going to the gym? Today, I'm going to show you 3 really easy outfits to instantly make you look taller, leaner, and sharper right away. Hi, this is Swapnil and welcome back to the Classic Dandy, where I bring timeless menswear to the modern gentleman. Let's go ahead and unlock few style illusions that will change the way people look at your height and your build. Let's dive into our tip number 1. Go monochrome. Going monochrome means going head to toe in one same color. Whether we're talking about the conventional black, browns, or even navy, going monochrome is probably the best and the easiest way to add a couple of inches to your frame. Whether we're talking about all black, like a black shirt and black trousers and black shoes, or whether we're talking about full navy blue color suit, a navy jacket, trousers, and even a navy shirt and dark or rather black shoes will definitely add a couple of inches to your frame. So make sure whenever you're rushing and you want to look little taller than you actually are, you can try going monochrome. Next tip is opting for vertical stripes. Whether it's a vertical striped shirt or a nice chalk stripe suit, stripes adds a couple of inches to your frame. What stripes does is that stripes creates a natural vertical illusion. The person who's in front of you, you naturally appear taller. Also, vertical stripes, as it makes you appear taller, it also makes you appear leaner comparatively. On the contrary, you must avoid horizontal stripes as well unless you aim to look broader. So gentlemen, go for vertical striped shirts, or you can go for a nice pinstripe or chalk stripe suit as well. The third tip is to go tailored and go solid. Gentlemen, whether it's a tailored shirt, tailored trousers, or a complete tailored suit, tailored pieces instantly make you look taller and leaner. The reason is because tailored pieces are made according to the measurements of your body specifically. And there's one more thing you should try is going for solid colors as much as you can. Now, I'm not telling you not to wear patterns at all. You should wear patterns, they add to the visual interest, but you should try to limit patterns, especially if you're on the shorter side. Gentlemen, for an example, if you're wearing a check shirt, make sure you wear solid trousers, or if you're wearing a suit, well, a solid suit. Do not try to wear patterns on patterns. A complete check suit will definitely make you look shorter compared to a solid color suit. So make sure to keep patterns in mind. Fourth tip is opting for high-waisted trousers. Gentlemen, when I say high-waisted trousers, I mean something that starts around your belly button or maybe an inch or two above your belly button where your natural waist is, and something which has pleats, and even better, double pleats. What pleats does is that it gives a nice definition to your legs, and especially when it's high-waisted, it gives a nice vertical illusion. So when we talk about 1/3 and 2/3 theory, 1/3 would be your top, that is your shirt or your t-shirt, and 2/3 would be your trouser or any bottom wear that you're wearing. If you take my word for it, high-waisted pleated trousers are some of the best and most comfortable trousers that a man can wear. So there are two sides to it. It can make you look taller and it'll make you feel comfortable at the same time. So make sure to follow the 1/3 and 2/3 rule to look taller instantly. Fifth and the last tip, and the tip that a lot of men tend to ignore, is not paying attention to the right accessories. So when we wear wrong accessories, it can cut off an inch or two. So especially if you're someone who is already short, and if you wear wrong accessories on top of it, you can look even shorter. I will explain it to you in detail. For an example, if you're wearing a light color shirt and trousers, like a white shirt and cream trousers, you should avoid wearing black belt or brown belt and black shoes or brown shoes. Gentlemen, what black belt or any dark color belt will do is that it will cut off your body into two halves and you will instantly look shorter even if you're not. So, if you intend to look taller, I would suggest you to skip the belt all the way. Or even if you have to wear belt, go for belt that is lighter in color so that a person who sees you, you appear instantly taller than you actually are. When it comes to shoes, you can either go for light color shoes or even dark color shoes will not really bother much. But wearing dark color belt with such an ensemble will definitely cut an inch or two off your height. Another accessory that you must pay attention to is the color of your socks. Now I know a lot of you guys love to wear mismatched socks or bold color socks. But if you're wearing dark color shoes with dark color trousers, you must avoid light color socks, white socks, or anything that is on the lighter side. Anything that is too light or pops out will cut off your legs from your shoes and it will disrupt that straight, clean line that we are looking for. Gentlemen, if you are someone who wishes to look taller than you actually are, you must pay attention to that vertical line that we are talking about and you should try not to disrupt it. If you want to wear colorful socks, well, be my guest, but make sure to keep them on the darker side rather than going for very light color socks. Most of the people take monochrome as black on black. But let me tell you, monochrome can be done in various other ways. You can go brown on brown, cream on cream, or even navy on navy. Gentlemen, here I'm wearing this very simple and basic navy blue color t-shirt in crew neck. This is a slim fit tee. There's nothing fancy about it, no long sleeves. It's not too tight, not too loose. On my wrist, I have a simple steel bracelet watch around my waist. Going with the monochrome vibe of the outfit, I have a navy blue color fabric belt. And for my bottoms, I have chosen some pleated pants in navy blue color, which is part of a suit. Now, navy blue color sits well on most of the skin tones, in my opinion. To end this particular outfit, I'm wearing some navy blue color suede loafers. If you were to wear socks with this outfit, I would recommend you to go for navy blue socks or really dark color socks. Vertical stripes can really do the trick when it comes to either looking taller or leaner. Especially if you're someone who is stockier or who is a little heavier around the midsection, vertical stripes can actually do wonders and make you look slimmer than you actually are. Same goes for the height. It can add a couple of inches to your frame. Gentlemen, here I wear a broad striped shirt in brown and white color. Here I'm wearing these lovely light cream colored trousers, and to end this particular outfit, I'm wearing some brown tassel loafers. As you can see, I have done nothing fancy with the socks. I'm going sockless on this particular occasion. If you were to wear socks, I would recommend you to go for either cream color socks that matches the color of the trousers or brown color. With the third outfit, I'm trying to do two things here. I have combined vertical stripes and some solid colors. All I want to show you is how vertical stripes and solid colors can actually slim you down as well as make you appear taller. Gentlemen, I'm wearing a white linen shirt with thin brown stripes. Over that, I have put on a navy blue color suit jacket, a simple yet bright pocket square. As you can see, double breast jacket or a double breast suit jacket rather can actually have slimming effect on your body and they can at least add an inch or two. For my trousers, I have chosen to wear some charcoal grey pants. Now, this is a typical uniform with a navy blue jacket and dark charcoal grey trousers. So, this is a no brainer and is going to look good on most of the people out there. These charcoal pants have pleats, so it has a slimming effect as well. And for my shoes, I have chosen some chocolate brown tassel loafers. As you can see, for my socks, I have chosen dark gray color socks. So I have completely avoided anything that is light in color so that the vertical line doesn't really disrupt and I look tall head to toe. So, monochrome colors, vertical lines, high waisted trousers, and choosing some smart accessories. These easy tips will instantly make you look taller and leaner. Let me know in comments which one was your favorite outfit out of the three. If you like the content of this video, make sure to spread the word and subscribe to the channel. For everyday inspirational outfit ideas, check out my Instagram handle and follow. Until next time, thanks for watching.